Hey Lucky,
Hi.
I have a question. What happens if I miss the registered retirement savings plan deadline?
Well, if you miss the RRSP deadline for this year, you will miss out on the opportunity to reduce your tax payable to the government this year. You will also miss the opportunity to maximize your retirement savings and investment. So I would recommend that you verify your contribution room and make that RRSP contribution this year before or by March 1st, so that you are able to deduct that contribution from your earned income and therefore reduce the taxes that you have to pay. I hope I've answered your question.
You did.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content on finance. Share this video and press the notification button. Until my next presentation or until you have some questions for me, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup and bye for now.